Hi creators, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. So we're skipping the part where we're talking about the importance of good lighting in a production. Let's just talk about this product itself, the Weeylite K21. And I had the chance to test these lights already for a couple of weeks, and I can't wait to share with you my thoughts. The box is sealed, which I really like. Inside the box we do have a user manual, a USB-C to USB cable, and of course the light. It's a typical Weeylite. It looks again like a premium product. The finishes are extraordinary. It comes pre-charged, so you could fire it right up, and I just noticed there was a bit more plastic to peel off. I love it. But let's talk about the light. So you could easily operate the light by itself just using the display and the buttons and set it up the way you want to, but that would be just half of the fun, right? The beauty about Weeylite is that all of their lights are working flawlessly with the app. You just download it and you're good to go. You can easily adjust the brightness and intensity of the light, but this is just a basic function. You can do so much more. Click on HSI and you can select any color of your choice, or you go to scene with a lot of preset effects that will give filmmakers a variety of different background lightings. If you wish to operate multiple lights with different settings, that's also possible. Here's how it goes. Press and hold the power button. Next, you need to press and hold the set button until you're able to move the cursor over to the ladder. By pressing plus or minus, you can select A, B, C, D, E or F. Once you found the right ladder for your channel, you confirm your selection by pressing set. And that's pretty much it. Now we have to power on the light that we just set to channel C. Now by pressing the power button on our Weeylite app, you can turn on and turn off both lights. Since one light is set to channel A and the other one to channel C, now you can operate them separately. By tapping on the right channel, we select the light we want to address, and now we choose the desired light situation or effect on the app. Using this method, you can create amazing results. By the way, on both sides of the Weeylite you have tripod mounts. No matter if you want to improve the lighting situation for an unboxing video, or if you want to have some effects showcasing a product, or if you simply want to improve the current light situation, the Weeylite K21 is very versatile and very capable. Of course, I can't recommend any products which didn't pass the ultimate Kiwi test. And yes, Kiwi seems to like it, so it's a thumbs up from me. And just when I wanted to say goodbye, I found another amazing feature. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Is this magnetic? Yeah, it's magnetic. Some pretty cool features. For example, this portion is a magnet, so you could mount it without any problems to a door or to a fridge or wherever you need some backlighting. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now.